Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into this video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some gel polishes from Modelones, and I'm just going to be unboxing it. So the first thing we see is this little pamphlet. It just shows you how to prep your nails, the application, and also how to remove the gels. And then I also have like some little tips and tricks on the back. And then it comes with some nail stickers. It has like some arrows, triangles, and squares, very like geometric, and also some little lines at the bottom. And next it comes with a 3-piece nail art tool set. The first one is used for like lines. The second one could be like a dotting tool. It's not exactly a dotting tool. And then the third one could be like useful for cleaning up or like around the cuticle area. So the next thing I received are these glitters and foils. Everything is just so pretty. So we get some foils in these silver color and also the gold. And then these brown glitters, like they're goldish brown. I love this because like I don't have any like this and I can't wait to use it. So this one can be used for like sugary nails or like those little sugar designs that I've seen people do. And this one caught my attention. It's just so pretty. I love the green. And this one is also very pretty. This is the one I'm going to be using in today's video. So now moving on to the gel polishes. This is what the gel polishes look like, and then it comes with a base, a top, and a matte top coat. It's pretty basic to get a base and a top coat, so I like how they added the matte top coat. And this gel polish kit has so many colors. This is a 20-piece gel polish set. And then all of these bottles are 7 milliliters. I love the bottles. I like how you can see the color through the front of the bottle and then also on the top. These colors don't have name, they go by numbers, which also is displayed on the top. So I'm going to be taking that first color that I showed you the bottle, and I'm just going to be swatching one color just so you guys can see the consistency and how it applies. Since I do have 20 colors to show, I won't be swatching each of them just for the sake of the video. So here's how it applies. It goes on super smooth and like it's just super buttery. This color is like a grayish kind of light blue, whitish, like it's just a mixture between all of them, and it's just so pretty. I had like a little lint ball there, so I just removed it with my nail and went in to cover that up. And this is how that color looks. It is cured for 30 seconds. And now I'm just going to be showing you guys all of the other colors. And each swatch stick was cured for 30 seconds, and then I just went ahead and applied a top coat to all of them and cured them for 30 seconds again. And then I put them on my swatch stick, and here are the colors side by side. It comes with so many colors. These are all one coat as well, and if you are interested, I will leave the link down below to where you can get this and also my discount codes. Like all of these colors are super pretty. I really love that bright yellow. And then all of these colors, you can really create some creative designs with these. So I really do love this gel polish kit. So now moving on to the nails. I have my nails on this nail stand, and these aren't actually the extreme squares from Nail Couture. These are actually a dupe to those, and I got these from AliExpress. I will leave like the price thingy on the screen. And like these were like super affordable. The only thing is that it took so long, since like these are very popular now, they took like 2 months. I'm not sure, like almost, well, it felt like 2 months, but it took a while to actually get to me. And honestly, they feel the exact same. Like I can't put my finger on like a difference. So I do suggest you get those if you aren't able to get the other ones from the Nail Couture website. But all I did to prep these nails, I just took a file and filed off the little tab at the free edge. And now I'm going in with this color from Nail Addict, and I'm just going to be putting a layer over 3 of the nails. I believe it was the thumb, middle, and ring finger. And I really love this color because like it's like a natural nail bed color. It's not overpowering, it's just so perfect. I'm only going to be going in with 1 layer. It goes on super smooth as well. So after each, I'm going to be putting that back on the nail stand. And I don't know why I put them back on the nail stand. Usually I like polish them and then put them into the nail light so that I don't mess them up, because I'm super clumsy and like there's so much bound to happen. But like once I do those, I'm just going to put them back on the nail stand and then cure them all at once. So now that we have those cured, I'm going to be taking that nail art brush that came in this kit, and then I'm taking the color 1104, which is that like blue smoky white grayish color, and I'm putting some onto my nail palette because I'm going to be doing some smile lines. So the way I've started doing my smile lines is like I put a dot right there at the center, and then working from that dot I go up on each side, just so that it's kind of like more even, and like I'm not trying to do all of it at once and then the lines are uneven. So this is just an easier way that I have been starting to do my smile lines, and it works so far. My smile lines aren't perfect, but they were pretty decent. And then once I finish doing that smile line, I'm just going to take the actual gel polish brush and then cover in the rest of the nail. And then also I'm going to be taking a rounded cleanup brush. I got those from Amazon. I always use those. And I'm just going to be doing any further cleaning up. And these brushes are so perfect for cleaning up like rounded smile lines. It's just the perfect shape to get in those areas. So yeah, once I finish that, I'm just going to pop that in the nail light and then repeat that on the other nails I put that new color on. So once I have the first coat cured, I'm going to be going back in with the second coat. So I'm taking that brush that I took the first time and I'm going around the smile line just so I can keep that area as clean as possible. And then just like the first step, I'm going to take the actual gel polish brush and fill in the rest of the tip of the nail. And then I'm just going to be repeating that over all the French tip nails. It's pretty simple. And like I said, my smile lines didn't really come out perfect, but like they were pretty decent. I'm happy with those. So I'm just going to finish up those nails so I can move on to the next step. Now that I have my French tips out the way, this is how the nails are looking. And now I'm going to be taking a darker blue, which is the color 1063, and I'm going to be putting that on my nail palette as well, because I'm going to be doing some croc print nails, some crocodiles or snake. People call it either one, but I'm going to say croc. I've been wanting to do this design for so long, and I finally took like the opportunity because I saw these two colors. They just work so perfect together, and I'm going to be doing that. So I'm taking some base coat actually. Since I don't have any blooming gel, I figured base coat would work just as good. And it actually took me like a couple tries. I tried different top coats. It didn't really work because like some top coats were like super thick and it didn't really spread how I wanted it to, so I just wiped that off. And this is just what works the best. So I put some base coat onto that nail, and without curing, I'm just taking that brush and putting some of this blue polish on to create the croc print. And this design is super easy. So as you can see, all I did was take the blue polish and put some spots down the middle of the nail, and then go on the sides and put like little dots to kind of fill in the rest. You want to make sure to wipe the sides and like wait a little bit so it kind of spreads to create that crocodile effect. And then once I do that, I'm just going to pop that into the light and then repeat that over all the nails. I really like this design. It was super pretty, and also it was super easy. So if you're struggling with nail art, this is a design you definitely can do. And after being cured for 30 seconds, this is how the crocodile print is looking. And I'm so excited how these turn out. Like, they look so nice. And so now I'm just going to wipe away the sticky layer from those gel polishes. Now moving on to the other nails, I'm going to be taking this glitter. Here you can see it has like some little butterflies, some little circles, some hearts, and like some little flower pieces. I'm not sure what they are, I forgot. But like, I'm just going to be putting some of those inside the nails with the, I guess you can call this the press method, because I'm not really using polygel. So yeah, I'm just going to be putting some base coat inside the nail, and also putting some of these glitters. These glitters were just calling my name once I took these out the pack, so I had to use these. When I was putting these inside the nail, the blue ones wasn't really like picking up, so I'm going to pick up those individually and just kind of space those out along the nails so that there's a hint of blue within these glitters. And I'm just going to cure that in place and repeat that on the pinky nail as well. The look I was going for, it wasn't really like popping blue, so I'm going to be taking these glitters after those have been cured, and this glitter is just from Walmart in like the glitter craft aisle section. I'm putting some more base coat inside the nail, and I'm just going to be like putting some of those glitters in the background just so that there's another like pop of blue. So once I do that, I'm just going to cure for 30 seconds. And then of course I cured those and sealed those ends with some more top coat, and then I went ahead and placed them on my nails. And as you can see, like on my ring finger, my natural nail was showing and I didn't like how it looked, so I'm going to be disguising that with some rhinestones. So I'm taking the McCart rhinestone nail glue and I'm putting some of that along my smile line, and then on top of that rhinestone glue I'm going over it with some top coat. So once I put on the rhinestones, I don't have to like try to go around it and on top of it, because as you guys know, I don't like the build up around the rhinestones. So this is just an easy way of go ahead and top coating the nails and just cure the rhinestones into the top coat. And it was pretty difficult to do this hand because I call myself giving my left hand a break from the nail light, and it was just so difficult to like use my non-dominant hand. But I ended up getting it on, and like once I put these on, they were sliding a little bit from the top coat. So once I cured, one of the rhinestones had kind of like moved out of place. So once I show you guys the finished product, you will see like there's a space in between the nails. But yeah, once I finish doing that, I'm just going to be top coating all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds to add my cuticle oil. Once all of that is done, guys, this is how the nails turn out. I really love these so much. I'm so proud of myself. And this is my first time attempting to do the crocodile nails. I have been wanting to do this for so long. I've been seeing it everywhere on Instagram and YouTube. Like, it's just super trendy. And as you can see, like the rhinestones, it kind of slid out of place, but it's okay. You can't really tell. But yeah, I'm really loving these nails. These are super pretty. I love these colors. And like in this sunlight, it just looks so pretty. Make sure to check the link down in the description box if you are interested in shopping with Modelones. I do have a discount code. Make sure to comment down below what you guys think, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.